Pharmacovigilance is a science. Its main goal is to keep medicines safe. It watches for side effects from drugs, and this helps to protect all patients globally. We learn more about these medicines, and honestly, this learning happens even after they are approved. It is a continuous, ongoing process. Patient safety is always the top priority for everyone involved in healthcare. An individual case safety report is often called an ICSR. It is a detailed account of a side effect, which is experienced by a patient. The report links this effect to a specific medicine. These reports are incredibly important documents. They act like vital warning signals for us, and they help us to spot potential problems early. This allows for swift action if needed. It's a cornerstone of drug safety monitoring. Why do these ICSRs matter so much to us? Well, they are truly the foundation of drug safety. Each single report tells a unique patient story. It provides crucial data points for analysis. Without these reports, we would not know. We would not know if a medicine is causing harm. They help to build a much bigger picture, and this picture shows how safe our medicines are. They are essential for public health protection. Who is responsible for making these reports? Doctors often report suspected side effects. Nurses and pharmacists also play a key role. Patients themselves can make these reports, and even concerned family members can report. The more reports we receive, the better. It helps to create a strong safety net. Everyone can play a part in this system. Reporting is encouraged for any suspicion. How is the data for ICSRs actually collected? Data comes from many different places. Hospitals are a very key source of information, and local clinics also provide important details. Pharmaceutical companies collect this data too. Patients can report directly to regulatory agencies. These varied sources are all very valuable as they give us different views on an event. Each piece of information helps complete the puzzle. What specific information is collected in a report? The report needs several key details to be useful. It needs information about the patient, like age and gender, but not names. It needs the exact name of the medicine, and the dose of the medicine is also important. The suspected side effect must be described clearly. The date the side effect started is noted, and any other medicines taken are also listed. Who collects this important information initially? Healthcare professionals are often the very first. This includes doctors, nurses, and pharmacists. They see patients directly in their practice and might notice a potential problem first. Pharmaceutical company representatives also collect reports. These individuals are trained to gather details, and they ensure accuracy right from the start. Their diligence is key to good data quality. Once collected, what happens to this information next? The information goes into a special system. This important step is called data entry. A data entry specialist carefully types it in using a secure, validated database for this. Every single detail must be entered correctly. This step is very important for the process, as it ensures the data is reliable and usable. Accuracy here prevents many problems later on. After data entry, a thorough quality check occurs. This is a very meticulous and vital process. A data quality specialist reviews the entire entry, checking carefully for any mistakes or omissions. They ensure all needed information is present. Is the medicine name spelled correctly? Are all the critical dates accurate? This makes the report truly reliable for analysis. Good quality data is essential for good decisions. Then, the individual case safety report is assessed. This is where safety experts look very closely. They decide how serious the reported event is. A serious event might mean hospitalization. It could be a life-threatening situation, or it might cause a long-term disability. This seriousness classification is critically important, as it helps to prioritize the most urgent cases. Patient safety remains the main concern throughout. Experts also assess the causality of the event. This means they try to link the event to the suspected medicine. Was the medicine the most likely cause? Or was it perhaps something else entirely? This assessment can be quite complex work. They use special tools and established criteria, and they look at the timing of the event. Did the side effects start after the drug was taken? A pharmacovigilance scientist often does this assessment. They have specialized medical or pharmaceutical knowledge. They look carefully at the the patient's medical history, consider any other medicines being taken, and check relevant published medical literature. They build a case for or against a drug association. This helps determine if the drug was responsible. Their detailed analysis is absolutely crucial, and it guides further actions and understanding. Now, medical experts review the assessed report. These are often experienced pharmacovigilance physicians, and they possess deep and broad medical knowledge. They look at the whole case in its entirety, checking the assessment that has been made. They consider the causality determination carefully, and they ensure everything is clinically accurate. Their expert medical judgment is truly vital. They confirm or adjust the seriousness rating. The physician then adds their medical opinion. They might suggest further questions to be asked, or they might confirm the initial findings. This comprehensive review provides an extra layer of safety, ensuring a qualified doctor agrees with the conclusions. Their skilled input strengthens the report's credibility. This important step is about expert oversight. The ultimate goal is to be completely sure. Every detail is scrutinized for patient well-being. Once the medical review stage is fully complete, the report is finalized. It is then formally approved within the organization. A safety manager or a senior safety officer might sign off. This means the report is ready for the next step. This approval confirms the process was followed correctly. The report is now an official, verified document. It represents a documented safety concern or observation, and it holds significant weight for future actions. Finally, the completed ICSR is submitted. It goes directly to the national health authorities. These are regulatory bodies like the MHRA in the UK or the European Medicines Agency in Europe. They collect safety reports from many sources, and this helps them monitor overall drug safety. This entire system helps keep everyone safe. It ensures medicines continue to benefit patients and that any potential risks are managed effectively.